This message is being broadcasted by the New York Police Department. At 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, multiple unidentified objects have been confirmed to have entered the Earth's atmosphere. All instructions must be taken seriously, or you will put yourself in danger. Lock all windows and doors securely. Do not let anyone in, no matter how human they sound. If you have pets outside, take them inside. For your safety, stay indoors at all times. Message is being broadcasted by the New York Police Department. The objects falling from the sky have been identified to be a spaceship of some sort of alien technology. Dead aliens are lying around the spaceship. Scientists have taken one of the spaceship to investigate. The scientists thought that this could possibly be an alien armada and these creatures are trying to take over planet Earth. Stay tuned for more updates. This message is being broadcasted by the New York Police Department. The NASA has sent space soldiers to save the world. These soldiers have sacrificed their lives for the world. To any soldiers who are hearing this, we thank you for the sacrifice you have made. Do your best. Go into a fallout shelter to avoid danger falling from space. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being broadcasted by the New York Police Department. For all the people wondering what happened the last 2 days, the Earth is saved. Many soldiers died from the battle, but we did it. We survived. We are grateful for the soldiers who have saved us all. Thank you for the sacrifices. All television stations will be back to regularly scheduled shows.